Hello, my name is Adi Pandit. I am your professor for Programming 101, and today I'm gonna present a presentation about data types. We'll learn about common data type, variables, what data type. First, let's learn about variables. Variables in Python are dynamic, so rather than declaring a variable type, the interpreter will assign the type based on the assigned value. So it's more flexible and easier to use. Let's move on into data types. Basic data types. There are two types of basic data types. There are numeric types and there are sequence types. For numeric type, there are integers and floats. Integers are for whole numbers while floats are for decimals. So we use numeric types for calculation. And let's move on to sequence types. Sequence types are used for storing data. So the first one is lists. So lists are ordered multiple collection. So they are ordered, so they are indexed and they are mutable. They can be edited after they're declared. We can add multiple data types in a list. So we can add integers and floats in one list, or even another list inside a list. The next one is tuples. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable, so they can be changed after we declared it. They act the same as lists, but they just can't be changed. The next one is string. String are a type of list, but so they are a sequence of ordered multiple collection of characters. So we can edit out things from the string. So like removing age to become hello word, or adding another word into the string using commands later on. Let's move on into more complex data type. The first one is dictionary. Dictionary are key value pairs, so they are keys that have values. In the example, we see that the keys are names, which have values of alias, comma, and the next key is age, which has the value of 13, 12, and 13. They are effectively lists, so we can add different type of data type inside that list, or even remove one of them. So they are very efficient for storing and retrieving huge amount of data rather than using multiple lists in one code. The next one is set. Set are similar to lists, but they're different in that they are unordered and there can be duplicate inside it. So if there is like one inside a set, they will return as one. So the duplicate will be removed. So it's useful for set operation like union, intersection, or removing duplicate formulas, or perform mathematical set operation. Choosing the right data type. We as programmers are akin to architects in that rather than building buildings, we build systems. But we both need to use the right tools for the job. So if we need to store data but need to change it frequently, we use lists. If we need something that can be changed, we we use tuples, or if we need to store large amount of data in one variable, we can use dictionary. By following these principles, we will write more optimized, more readable, and generally better code. Understanding data types are a basis for any good programmer out there. So please understand this subject thoroughly, because we use it every day. Thank you for listening to my lecture today, and any question?